welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about oxidants and reductants. First of all, we discuss about what are oxidants and reductants. For this, we take an example. X plus Y, they converted into, after chemical reaction, X minus plus Y plus. Generally, in a chemical reaction, there is a transference of electrons from one species to another. In a Bohr reaction, electrons are transferred from Y to X. Therefore, X is reduced in X minus and Y is oxidized in Y plus. So a species means atom, ion or molecule. A species accepts electrons in a chemical reaction, then it is known as oxidizing agent or oxidant. These substances oxidize others but reduce themselves. So simply we can say that the substance which is reduced in a chemical reaction is known as oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agents are electron acceptor. These substances oxidize other but reduce themselves. On the other hand, when a species loses electrons in a chemical reaction, then it is known as reducing agent or reductant. So, reducing agents are electron donor. These substances reduce other but oxidize themselves. So, the substance which is oxidized in a chemical reaction is known as reducing agent or reductants. The oxidation number of reductants in a chemical reaction is increased in the figure. In that direction, oxidation number are increased from -3, -2 to -1 to 0 to +1 to +2 +3 and so on. While the oxidation number of oxidant in a chemical reaction is decreased from +3 to +2, +1, 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on. For example, FeCl2 plus SnCl4, they converted into, after chemical reaction, FeCl3 plus SnCl2. Here, in these compounds, oxidation number of different elements. Here, in FeCl2, oxidation number of Fe is +2. Similarly, in this compound, oxidation number of stannum is +4. Here, oxidation number of Fe is +3 and oxidation number of stannum in this compound is +2. In that direction, oxidation number increases from +2 to +3 and in that direction, oxidation number decreased from +4 to +2. Thus, we conclude that in the reaction, FeCl2, ferrous chloride is an electron donor. Here, oxidation number is increased. Thus, ferrous chloride is an electron donor, means reductant. On the other hand, SnCl4 is an electron acceptor. So, we can say that stannic chloride is a oxidant in the reaction. It is electron acceptor. So, SnCl4 oxidizes FeCl2 into FeCl3, but itself reduces in stannous chloride. Very important. Now we read some basic trick to identify oxidants and reductants. So trick for oxidants is if the oxidation number of an element in any compound is highest, then the compound acts as oxidant or oxidizing agent. For example, potassium dichromate, perchloric acid, perbromic acid, periodic acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, potassium permanganate, etc. In all these compounds, oxidation number of center atom is high. Here in potassium dichromate, chromium is in +6. In this compound, chlorine is in +7. Similarly, bromine is in +7, iodine is in +7, sulfur is in +6, nitrogen is in +5, and manganese is in +7. Other examples of oxidant are chlorine, bromine, hydrogen peroxide, nitrobenzene, copper sulfate, etc. On the other hand, if the oxidation number of an element in any compound is minimum, then the compound acts as reducing agent or reductant. For example, nitrous acid H2S, NH3, FeCl2, H2SO3, sulfurous acid Ki, SnCl2, Hg2Cl2, mercurous chloride, etc. In all these compounds, center atom is in his minimum oxidation number. Here in nitrous acid, nitrogen is in +3, sulfur is in -2, similarly nitrogen is in -2, +2, sulfur is in +4, iodine is in -2, tin is in +2, mercury is in +1. And other examples of reductants are zinc, ferrous sulfate, ferrous oxalate, sodium thiosulfate, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, very important example, etc. In chemistry, lithium aluminum hydride is also known as elder brother of sodium borohydride. Both hydride acts as reductant. Very important. If the oxidation number of an element in any compound is between minimum and maximum, then the compound may act both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. For example, MnO2, SO2, O3, H2O2, etc. Very important. Now we will take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is, in the following reaction is oxidizing agent is option A, B, C and D. In this reaction, oxidation number of manganese is +4, oxygen is -2, hydrogen is +1, chlorine is -1. Similarly, oxidation number of manganese in MnCl2 is +2, chlorine is -1, in Cl2 chlorine is in 0, in water hydrogen is +1 and oxygen is in -2. So here oxidation number decreases from +4 to +2, MnO2 to MnCl2, and oxidation number increases in HCl to Cl2, -1 to 0. Thus, MnO2 is reduced into MnCl2 and HCl is oxidized into Cl2 chlorine molecule. So MnO2 is oxidizing agent and HCl is reducing agent. So answer will be option C +4. Very important question. Now next question second is oxidants are also help in reduction, oxidation, both A and B and none of the above. We know that oxidants are help in oxidation, so answer will be option B. Now next third question, very important. KMnO4 acts as, whereas SnCl2 acts as oxidant reductant. In option B, reductant oxidant, C oxidant oxidant, and D reductant. We know that oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is +7. It is maximum, so KMnO4 acts as oxidant. On the other hand, oxidation number of stannum in SnCl2 is +2. It is minimum, so it acts as a reductant. So answer will be option A. Now next fourth question, which of the statement is true? Option A, oxidants oxidize others but reduce themselves. It is a true statement. Option B, reductants oxidize others but reduce themselves. It is false statement. We know that reductants reduce others but oxidize themselves. In option C, if oxidation number of an element in a compound is minimum, then the compound acts as reductant. So it is also a false statement. In the question, acts as oxidant, and option D, none of the above. So answer will be option A, oxidants oxidize others but reduce themselves. Fifth and last question, which pair is matched? First, H2SO4 oxidant, right? HNO2 nitrous acid acts as reductant. It is also matched. And third, potassium dichromate acts as oxidant. It is also a matched pair. So answer will be option C, first, second, third. All these are matched. Hopefully guys, you have enjoyed the excellent trick to identify oxidants and reductants. Thanks for watching the video.